Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the value of the variable which satisfies the equation 8x equals 16. So this is a pretty straightforward question. We have to simply find out the value of x. Now in order to do so, we have to make the coefficient of x equals 1. How we can do so? We can do so by dividing both sides of the equality by 8. So let's write, or rather we can say divide both sides of the equality by 8. So we will have 8x upon 8 equals 16 upon 8. Now remember that while dividing, you have to divide both sides of the equality, because if you divide only one side of the equality, then the original equation will not remain same, because when we are dividing both sides of the equality, then the actual equation remains intact, because 8 and 8 can be cancelled and it will remain 8x equals 16. So always remember that whenever you multiply or divide any constant, do it on the both sides of the equality. Okay, so let's proceed further. So 8x upon 8 will be equals x and 16 upon 8 will be equals 2. So x equals 2 will be the final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.